life to me. Can't you see that I know how to live it? You see me from over there, but I'm over here, and I'm living. Don't you wanna know who I am? So you're not guessing. All you gotta do is talk to me, then you'll see who I am. Each day comes and goes, where we're going, who knows? Just take the ride while you're alive and breathing. If you knock down on my door, it's not for sure that I will answer. I wanna know what you're bringing with you, or who you are today. Each day comes and goes, where we're going, who knows? Just gotta live while you're alive. We can fall in love one day, or get caught in the twisted maze, with hope to find our way back to zero. Where I'm going, I'll have to see. It's my path of mystery. It belongs to me and no one else. I won't tell you how to live, so don't tell me. I think I got this, a nice blended life, don't you think? It works for me, so I won't change it. I live my